The 3D Sketch functionality in Revit 2022.1 now allows you to transfer levels into FormIt Pro. Using 3D Sketch, you can launch a FormIt session directly from Revit and include all or selected Revit levels into the FormIt Layers palette. Continue your design exploration in FormIt using Revit geometry as your background context. Apply imported level data to new geometry groups in the FormIt Levels palette to display gross area and volume calculations. Improve your iterative design exploration workflows with the support for Revit levels in FormIt Pro.